Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hanging problem or lagging problem in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start friends. If you are facing difficulty in opening apps, if sometimes the apps are not opening, it sometimes crashes, so how you can fix it? So first friends, you have to open your settings, click on applications, then click on the highest taking storage application like this. Then you have to click on storage, clear cache and clear data, then give it to all the permissions, then simply press back, click on search and write here Google Play Services. Now you have to click on storage, clear cache this, simply press back, write here Android, tap on here it is Android system settings, click on storage, clear cache and clear data. Then you have to do is, if there is any application update or software update, you have to do it for a better performance you will get when you just do it. And if your storage is full, by adding pictures, documents, photos, videos, you have to release some of your storage in your smartphone to fix this problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.